Hi everyone, welcome to Essie Cooks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the best vegan French toast. This is so delicious, so if you can't eat eggs because you're allergic or because you are vegan, you are definitely going to want to try this. So we're going to get started with a blender. We're going to be blending up all of our ingredients. So the first thing we're going to need is 1 cup of plain plant milk. I'm going to add that right into the blender. Now this makes about 6 to 8 slices of French toast, so if you want less than that, just make half. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds in there. That's kind of like our egg replacement, our omegas, all of that good stuff. And then I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of baking powder. Again, all this stuff right into the blender. It's pretty fast and easy to put together. And then next up, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This just adds such a nice flavor. You can add a pinch of nutmeg too if you like, but I just add straight cinnamon. And then I'm going to start adding in cornstarch, which seems like a really weird ingredient. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, but this is what's going to crisp up the outside of the French toast. So definitely do not skip the cornstarch. It's essential for this recipe. And then we're going to put 1 tablespoon of maple syrup to add a little bit of sweetness to that. So good, so delicious. And 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now, if you used a vanilla plant milk, like a vanilla almond milk or something like that, then you don't have to add the vanilla extract if you don't want. Now, this next ingredient is optional. It's half a banana. If you don't like banana, just skip it, but it makes it such a nice custardy, delicious flavor. We absolutely love it with the banana in it, but if you don't, like I said, just skip that. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend up all of these ingredients on high until everything is nice and smooth and creamy. We want to make sure that that banana is really mixed in there as well. So just blend, blend, blend. You can just wait until you see the banana is blended, everything's smooth, everything's fully combined, and it's sort of a nice whipped up texture, like you're going to see in the bowl here. Now we're going to get a shallow bowl and add that vegan French toast mixture right into that shallow bowl. And we're going to get a non-stick pan on medium heat, and then you can add just a little bit of vegan butter. You'll probably need about 1 to 2 tablespoons total just to lightly grease up the pan. You can use oil if you want, but honestly, vegan butter is going to taste a lot better for a nice, beautiful vegan French toast like this. So just to put that all over the pan so you can make sure that the French toast is cooking in that delicious vegan butter. And now we want a nice thick bread. You can use sourdough, French loaf, you know, whatever vegan bread you like. My mother-in-law made this delicious orange lemon sort of like sweet toast. It was so perfect for this. It was so good. If you have a homemade bread, it's so good for this. Now we're going to just dip that into the batter. We want to let it soak for about 10 seconds. We want to really absorb that, vegan French toast batter before we're putting it in the pan, but not for too long. If you soak it too long, it's going to ruin the texture. So about 10 seconds. Then we're going to place that into the pan on medium heat. You can see that starting to sizzle. We're going to let that cook for a few minutes until it's golden brown on the outside. So you can check it using your spatula just to make sure that it's cooked to your liking before you flip it, because you do want to see that nice, as you'll see here, we want to check. See that it's crispy on the outside, nice golden brown, heated through and cooked just like that. So it's about 3 to 4 minutes per side on medium heat. So you can do that with all the pieces of your French toast that you're going to be making. And this is optional, but I like to heat up some maple syrup. So you can put warm maple syrup on top, makes all the difference. And I'm just going to continue cooking those, for another 3 to 4 minutes on that side. See that nice crisp browning on the edge? That is what we are looking for. And check that out. I mean, this is exactly what you want to see when you're cooking it. See how it's cooked like that. That cornstarch really works. And you can add your favorite toppings. I didn't want to dirty another dish, so I just use my hands to sprinkle on some powdered sugar. You can put on whatever fruit you like. You can put some more vegan butter on top. You can put maple syrup. You can put whatever you like. I added some strawberries on top, and then of course I covered it in that delicious warm maple syrup. Look at that. You honestly would not even know that this is a vegan French toast. It is so delicious. I'm going to cut into that in the middle so you can just see the nice texture and consistency. And I hope that you all loved this video. I hope you love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.